the shack. There's always something happening at the shack. That's where it's at that shack.
Hello, it's Pat's Shack, and we're over at a branch, Rosie's Cantina, where I'm gonna put these peppers in the oven, get them roasted, so then I can take their skins off and then slice it in half and stuff them. So I put them on the broiler, and about 2-3 minutes on each side. I gotta keep an eye on it. So meanwhile, we're coming over here, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna use these big old eggs. Now these are Goose Eggs, right, Rose? Oh yeah, okay, sorry. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the yolk in this one. That's for the flour. Now when I go to bust this bad boy, I don't want no mistakes, so I'm using a knife. Here we go. Oops, a little harder. Oops. If I mess that up, that's too bad. Oklahoma. Woohoo. Well, good. Man, that's a big old. Good thing we always wash our eggshells before we use them. So look at that big old egg. I think I only might need 2, Rose, but we'll see how I do with this. You ready? Now, if I wasn't off a gritter and I had my electric beater, which I don't even own, but if I had one, I'd put them in here to get these nice and stiff. The better you get this, the white stiff, you know, like on your pies, your lemon meringue pie and such. That's how you want to get them up like that, so they're going to hold that chili while it's baking. Thinking of that, I better check. Come on, lovelies. Put the round ones at the bottom. And then the tops. I like just handle them by their stems. But this one's stinky now. Oh. I have to do it with my hand. Now, before it cools down, this is the important part. Ha 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 ha! We locked in that heat. I'm gonna let them sit. Okie dokie. Time to take that out. Oh, I can feel the heat. Oh yeah. Look at that chili. And see now, feel that skin is going to be so easy to take off. But the first thing I got to do is rinse them in cold water. We'll do these first and then we'll do those. The trick is, after you roast your raw pepper, then you stick it in a bowl, a heated bowl, hopefully. So it's going to get warm anyway, but might as well keep it warm. Then you put that plastic over it, the wrap, to hold it in. And what it does, it's like with the tamales, it's steaming them. So these little babies just got steamed for about 15 minutes. And that's what's making it a lot easier to take the skin off. Okay, so I've already got them prepared. Now what I like to do is this. I like to take a little string cheese on these babies here because they are a little gentle. And so you want to put that all the way down, not just one, but 2, all the way down to the point of the chili. The edge, slide that baby in. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Then I take my cheddar, because everybody loves a variety, and cheddar is very española. I mean, you can put Mexican cheese in there too, but this is what I prefer, so That's what you're getting today.
At the shack, there's always something happening at the shack. That's where it's at that shack. At that shack. Come on in, sit right down. We'll have some fun, we don't mess around. At the shack. There's always something happening at the shack. That's where it's at that shack.
Oh, baby, yeah, you're right. Double more corn. I know, I'll be cleaning the stove tonight, Rose. I just put them on for a couple minutes each side, just in case you get golden brown. Try to keep the stove clean. Yes, you want them hot, that way the oil won't suck in. Basically, that's pretty much it. Well, so for your garnishments and all that, we'll show you that later once we sit down to eat. And try to get that one to turn this way. And cut that chili right in half so you can see what they look like inside. This one too, why not? Oh, baby. Now see, this is why I like to leave the stem on. Oh, man. Okay, quit filming, I'm eating. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the rest of my Chili Rellenos. But for dessert, our next show is gonna teach you how to make authentic Mexican flan. With the little caramel sauce on top. Oh boy. Till then, peace out. Treat each other with love. We'll be here next week. Bye-bye from Pat's Shack.
At the shack. There's always something happening.